Good day everyone, welcome again to our channel Best Ever Toy TV, and today we'll be doing another Tomica premium unboxing and review, and this time we will unbox and review this very beautiful Volkswagen bus from Tomica. This is part of their premium line, and let us open it right now and see how this VW Type 2 bus looks like. So this cost me around 400 pesos. Again, the Tomica premiums have a much higher price than their main lines, more than double the price, or near double. And here is the bus. Check this one out. It is very good looking, and check out the side of the car here. The moldings look good. Check out the grills there at the back, and at the roof some details here, and sad to say that part doesn't open. I wish that was an opening feature, but it is not. And check out the front here. Quite disappointing that they just painted the headlights silver. They didn't use the plastic for the headlights. And check out the base. Not much details here on the suspension and exhaust. And here's the back of the van. Some details on the lights, and I wish they added some details there at the plate of the car. And this one has suspensions like all Tomicas, and it rolls very well. So I also have another VW bus. It is from Majorette, and let us compare this with the Tomica. So here is the Majorette VW T1 bus. So Majorette, this one has is a bigger scale compared to Tomica. I think this is 1/59 scale. Let me check. Yeah, so this is 1/59 scale, while the Tomica here is 1/65. Yeah, so the Tomica is a smaller die-cast model compared to the Majorette, and both have similar looking finish on their paint job. And check out the roof of the car. For me, the Majorette version has better details on the roof. It has a removable board and a roof rack. And up front, the Majorette also wins for me. It uses a clear plastic on the headlights. Both have the VW logo. At the side, Tomica has better details on the molding. The wheels are quite similar, but Tomica has better details in my opinion. So that's it for our unboxing and review of the Tomica premium Volkswagen Type 2 bus. A quite disappointing premium line from Tomica, as the Majorette for me looks better. And thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel Best Ever Toy TV. See you soon guys. Bye. Peace out.